This is the Hamilton Beach 5-cup coffee pot. I left this on just to show. It's really got some cool features, but it's got some critical flaws. So water goes here. This is the second video I made. So water goes here. Coffee grinds go here. And the first flaw is that the basket is made in such a way where when the water comes through, it folds the filter back in on itself, and sometimes you get grinds in the coffee, which I'm seeing now. The second flaw is, and this is more critical than anything else, it does have one on-off switch, and you can't schedule it, which is really not a big deal, but there's no automatic shutoff. So if you are forgetful, you will come back to a burned coffee, and to me that should be standard on any appliance. So that's why it's not going to get 5 stars.